Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, today we will discuss an important topic, the third topic from this syllabus, that is homologous series. This is a very important topic, that is homologous series. Dear students, you know that in the organic chemistry we have tremendous number, large number of organic compounds. It is very difficult to study all the compounds individually. Hence, the chemists have tried to classify the organic compounds. Chemists have tried to group the organic compounds on the basis of physical and chemical properties. For example, if we have alkanes, alkane is a group of compounds. Alkane is a family of compounds. It comprises large number of compounds. For example, it comprises methane, it comprises CH3, CH2, ethane, it comprises CH3, CH2, CH3 propane, it comprises butane, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Dear students, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, we have large number of members of alkanes. It is not possible to study all these members individually. Hence, chemists have tried to correlate to form a collective group for these members. And they form a family. That family is alkanes. How you can discuss the homologous series? It is a family of number of compounds. Which have similar chemical properties. If we study the properties of alkanes, chemical properties of alkanes, it means that we are discussing the chemical properties of methane, ethane, propane, butane. All the members of alkanes have similar chemical properties. If you replace one hydrogen by OH, for example, जो आपने पढ़ा है फंक्शनल ग्रुप का कंसेप्ट है CH3OH, here it will become CH3CH2OH. If you replace one hydrogen here also, it will become CH3CH2OH. If you replace one hydrogen here, you will have CH3CH2CH2OH. Dear students, if you bring this replace hydrogen by OH, you get another homologous series. You get another family, you get another group in which the compounds have similar chemical properties. It is alcohol, it is alcohol, it is alcohol, it is alcohol. Now, it is not necessary to study these compounds individually. We can study them in a group, remember this point, and each such group in which the compounds have similar chemical properties. Remember this one, this is the first point. All the members of a homologous series have, this is the first point, have similar chemical properties. This is the first point. It means that the chemical properties of methyl alcohol, it will be similar to the ethyl alcohol, propyl alcohol and butyl alcohol. This is the first point. Now, it is not necessary to study them individually. We can study them collectively under a common family, under a common group, and each such family or group is known as homologous series. Why? What is the aim of discussing this topic, of forming these homologous series? To simplify the study of organic compounds. Organic compounds have been classified in various families, in various groups on the basis of physical and chemical properties. Each such family, alkane, it is a homologous series. Alcohols, it is a homologous series. Aldehydes, it is a homologous series. Each such family is known as a homologous series. Homo means same, logos means study. इसका माना है जितने भी मेंबर्स होमोलोगस सीरीज में है उनकी स्टडी सेम है. They have similar chemical properties. Remember this point. They have not only the similar chemical properties, they have similar chemical functional groups. Second point, have similar functional groups. For example, these are alcohols, these are the members of a homologous series, that is alcohol. What is the functional group of methyl alcohol? OH. Ethyl alcohol, OH. Propyl alcohol, OH. All the members have the same functional group, that is the OH. It means that all the members in a homologous series have similar functional group. They have the common functional group. The third point you have to mention here, the individual members, the adjacent members. Adjacent means if you take methane and ethane. If you consider ethane and propane, dear students, if I will tell you what is the difference between ethane and propane, it is clear from the structure CH3, 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 CH2, CH3. It means that two adjacent members differ by a unit of CH2 group. ये याद रखना बेटा, two adjacent members. अगर हम ये मीथेन और इथेन लेंगे, इथेन और प्रोपेन कंपेयर करेंगे, इफ यू कंपेयर प्रोपेन एंड ब्यूटेन, जरा ये दोनों कंपेयर कर लो, CH3 2 है, CH3 2 है, CH2 1 है, CH2 यहां पे 2 है. इसका माना है द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द प्रोपेन एंड ब्यूटेन, दैट इज CH2 ग्रुप. इट मींस दैट two adjacent members differ by a unit of CH2 group, or you can say a mass of कार्बन का मास होता है 12, 2 हाइड्रोजन का हो गया 2, मास ऑफ 14 AMU. रिमेंबर दिस पॉइंट. दो एडजेसेंट मेंबर के जो दरमियान डिफरेंस है, द डिफरेंस इज इक्वल टू CH2 ग्रुप, और दैट इज इक्वल टू 14 यूनिट्स ऑफ मास. रिमेंबर दिस पॉइंट. द फर्स्ट पॉइंट, व्हेन यू कंसीडर groups, compounds in a homologous series, for example ethane, alcohols, aldehyde, all the members have similar chemical properties, hence the study becomes easy. Now it is not necessary to study ethyl alcohol in a separate manner individually. You can, we have the topic alcohols, it means that you have to study the chemical properties of all the members of alcohols collectively. Now you do not have to study the chemical properties of butyl alcohol in a separated manner and the chemical properties of ethyl alcohol separated manner, because all these members have similar chemical properties, all the members have similar functional groups. Two adjacent members differ by a unit of CH2. The fourth point you have to mention here, when you go from one member to another member, methane to ethane, ethane to propane, propane to butane, they show gradation in physical properties. Gradation, slight change. अगर हम मीथेन से ईथेन तक जाएंगे, मास थोड़ा ज्यादा हो जाएगा, मेल्टिंग पॉइंट थोड़ा ज्यादा हो जाएगा, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट थोड़ा ज्यादा हो जाएगा, स्लाइड चेंज होती है फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज में. शो ग्रेजुएशन, स्लाइड चेंज इन फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, physical properties with mass. With mass, what is meant by with mass? जब हम मीथेन से ईथेन तक जाएंगे, फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज थोड़ी चेंज हो जाएंगी, मॉलिक्यूलर मास ज्यादा होगा, थोड़ा मेल्टिंग पॉइंट थोड़ा चेंज होगा, इंक्रीज होगा, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट थोड़ा ज्यादा होगा, डेंसिटी ज्यादा थोड़ी होगी. इट मीन्स दैट व्हेन यू मूव फ्रॉम वन मेंबर टू अनदर मेंबर, दे शो ग्रेजुएशन इन फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. Next point you have to mention, all the members, they can be prepared by the general methods. General methods. This is the fifth point you have to mention. If you want to prepare methyl alcohol, we have to use the methods, and we can use those methods to prepare either ethyl alcohol or propyl alcohol or butyl alcohol. Hence the question is methods, general methods of preparations of alcohol. We are not saying that the methods of preparation of methyl alcohol. We are saying general methods for the preparations of alcohols, because we can prepare these compounds by general methods. You have to mention this point. All the members, all the compounds in a homologous series can be prepared by some general methods. Now how you can define the homologous series? It is a family of organic compounds having similar chemical properties, having similar functional groups, and show gradation, slight change in physical properties with molecular mass. This is the definition of homologous series. It is a family of organic compounds in which the compounds have similar chemical properties, similar function group, and show graduation change in the physical properties with molecular mass. I will mention this definition here, and you have to also mention how you can define the homologous series. Homologous series, you can mention it is the family. That's the definition. It is a family of organic compounds. Organic compound. It is a family of organic compounds. Or you can mention here it is a family of, यहाँ पे mention थोड़ा करना, structurally similar. Structurally similar. Structurally similar. They have the same structure. It is a family of structurally similar organic compounds, all the members of which have similar, this is the first point you have to mention, similar chemical properties, similar chemical properties, have same, this is the second point, have same functional group and shows graduation, slight change, shows graduation in physical properties. Slight change occurs in physical properties, melting point, boiling point, density, molecular mass in physical properties with increase in molecular mass. जब मॉलिक्यूलर मास ज्यादा होगा तो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट चेंज होगा, स्लाइट इंक्रीज होगा, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट थोड़ा ज्यादा इंक्रीज होगा, डेंसिटी थोड़ी ज्यादा इंक्रीज होगी. Remember this point, it means that they show graduation, they show change, they show increase in the physical properties with increase in molecular mass. You have to mention 3 points here: similar chemical properties, same functional group, and shows graduation in physical properties with increase in molecular mass. Remember this point. What is the aim of this topic? To make the study of organic compounds simpler, to simplify, to systemize the study of organic compounds. Organic compounds have been classified in various series. Each such series is known as homologous series. I will take 2 examples to understand this. For example, I will take the simplest homologous series. For example, alkanes. Alkanes constitutes a homologous series. हम इसी की बात करेंगे पहले. Constitutes a homologous series. Constitutes a homologous series. Alkanes, इसमें क्या क्या आता है बेटा? मीथेन आता है. इसमें ईथेन, जो मैंने ऑलरेडी बोला है बेटा, ईथेन आता है. इसमें क्या आता है? प्रोपेन आता है. You can mention this one: methane, ethane, and propane. All the members can be represented by a general molecular formula. You'll know better that very formula: CnH2n plus 2. It means that this is the 6th point you have to mention. All the members of a homologous series can be represented by the general molecular formula. And what is the general molecular formula of alkanes? CnH2n plus 2. What is n? N is the number of carbon atoms. It can be applied to the methane, it can be applied to propane, butane, pentane. All the members are represented by this molecular formula. And what is the molecular formula? CnH2n plus 2. इसका माना क्या है? अगर हम मीथेन के लिए अप्लाई करेंगे, जरा अगर आपसे कहा जाएगा व्हाट इज द मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला ऑफ मीथेन, आपको क्या करना? कार्बन 1 है, C 1 है, यहां पे hydrogen 2 into 1 plus 2. What will be the molecular formula? C. 2 1s are 2 plus 2 हो गया C4. मीथेन की जो molecular formula है that will be the CH4. You can apply the same molecular formula for the propane, butane and other members also. You can remember this. Alkanes constitutes a homologous series. It is members और इस होमोलोगस सीरीज के मेंबर्स क्या क्या है? इट इज मेंबर्स और मीथेन, ईथेन, प्रोपेन. फिर आप ये लिख सकते हैं all these members can be represented by the same general molecular formula, by the same general MF molecular formula, that is CnH2n plus 2s. Remember this point. Now if you replace hydrogen from all these members, जो मैंने आपको already बोला है, अगर हम हाइड्रोजन को रिप्लेस करेंगे OH से, it becomes another homologous series. And this homologous series is known as alcohols. It is another homologous series. If you bring the replacement of hydrogen by OH, you get another homologous series, CH3, CH2, and we have the OH. About this point. This is methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, propyl alcohol. You get another homologous series. What is that series? This series is known as alcohols. Remember this point. Now you will find the conditions. All have the similar chemical properties. All will have same functional group. Remember this point. Adjacent members, अगर मैं आपको बोलूंगा इस और इसमें क्या फर्क है? CH3 यहाँ पे भी है, OH यहाँ पे भी है, मगर यहाँ पे CH2 नहीं है. Two adjacent members differ by a unit of, जो मैंने आपको already बोला है, they differ by a unit of CH2. When you move with increase in mass, when अगर हम यहाँ से यहाँ तक जाएंगे, मास ज्यादा होगा, physical properties उनका वैल्यू चेंज होगा. They show graduation in physical properties as we move from one member to another member. And what will be the general molecular formula of the alcohols? Dear students, what is the general molecular formula of alkanes? CnH2n plus 2. अब हमने क्या किया बेटा? हमने एक हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस किया है. इसका माना है यहां पे एक आएगा. व्हाट विल बी द जनरल फार्मूला? CnH2n plus 2 के बदले प्लस 1 आएगा. बिकॉज वी हैव रिमूव्ड द हाइड्रोजन, हेंस प्लस 1. उसके बदले हमने क्या लाया? OH लाया. दिस विल बी द जनरल मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला ऑफ अल्कोहल्स, एंड दिस विल बी एप्लीकेबल टू दिस वन. इट विल बी एप्लीकेबल टू दिस वन. इट कैन बी अप्लाइड टू दिस alcohol member also. All the members, what is the general molecular formula of alcohols? CnH2n plus 1. Why plus 1? Because one hydrogen has been removed, hence plus 2 will become plus 1. Hydrogen के बदले क्या आ गया? OH. This will be the another homologous series, that is the alcohols. Now you have to remember simply, what is homologous series? It is the family, it is a series of organic compounds having similar functional groups, similar chemical properties, and show graduation change in the physical properties with increase in molecular mass. Alkanes homologous series है, alcohols homologous series है, aldehydes homologous series है. aldehyde में जितने भी compounds है, जितने भी members है, all can be studied collectively. We do not have to study them individually. Remember this point. Now we will see 5 important points which you have to remember. Characteristic features of a homologous series. Characteristic features of a homologous series. जो मैंने आपको already बोला. Now you have to mention characteristic features. Features of homologous series. The first very point you have to mention, each homologous series can be represented by the same general molecular formula MF. This is the first point. all can be represented by the general molecular formula. Second, all the members of a homologous series have similar chemical properties. उनकी जो chemical properties है that is same, similar chemical properties. The third point you have to mention, all the members of a homologous series, ऐसे ही लिखना, have same functional group. उनका जो functional group है that is same. Remember this point. The fourth point, adjacent members differ by a unit of CH2. उसका मैंने आपको बोला है मास कितना होता है CH2 का 14 यूनिट. ये भी आपको याद रखना है. Remember this point. The last point you have to mention, the fifth point you have to mention, they show graduation, they show change, graduation in physical properties. They show graduation in physical properties. With increase in molecular mass. अब आप एक और पॉइंट लिख सकते हैं, all the members can be prepared by the general methods of preparation. With this we have completed this topic, that is homologous series and its features, and in the next lecture, inshallah, in the next lecture we will discuss an important topic, that is nomenclature of organic compounds. Inshallah, till then, fi amanillah.